Hi there. My name is Olivia, and today I will give you an overview of the Client Portal dashboard in CoachVantage. Your dashboard provides a quick overview of the current state of your coaching journey with your coach. It's incredibly visually friendly and lets you see, at one glance, the pertinent information that you need, such as which coaching programs you're enrolled in, your upcoming appointments with your coach, and any to-dos that your coach has assigned you. To get to your dashboard, you can always select Dashboard from the left-hand menu. On your dashboard, you will be able to view your upcoming appointments. You'll see the one-on-one programs you're enrolled in, and lastly, your to-dos for assignments, goals, and forms. Your upcoming appointments are displayed in chronological order from the earliest appointment to the latest appointment. Here, you will be able to view the number of upcoming appointments, your coach's name, the name of the program or appointment, and the start time, end time, and location of the meeting. To manage an upcoming appointment, simply click the three dots and view details. This is where, if your coach has given you permission, you will have the ability to cancel the appointment or reschedule. Next, you can view the one-on-one programs you are enrolled in here. On the coaching programs card, you will be able to view the name of the program, the start date, end date, and your coach's name. And lastly, on your Client Portal dashboard, you have your to-dos for any assignments, goals, and forms. If there is a due date associated with one of these, you will see that here. For example, it looks like you have an assignment that's due on June 26th. Having the due date listed here helps you as the client stay accountable and on track to complete your to-dos in a timely manner. Clicking on the assignment, goal, or form will redirect you to that specific window for more information. And that completes this video on the Client Portal dashboard. We hope that it has been helpful to you. Have an amazing week ahead.